Welcome friends, this is Dr. Prashant Patil, Jain College of Engineering, Belagavi. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon so that you get the notifications, like the video, comment and share. In
On
this
a direct example, I am going to solve. That is, find the Fourier cosine transform of 1 by 1 plus x square. The problem looks simple, but the integration and all those things you have to do carefully. Okay. Therefore, by the definition of Fourier cosine transform, that is Fourier cosine transform of f of x is equal to capital Fc of s is equal to integration from 0 to infinity f of x into cos sx into dx. Okay, now here my f of x is what? 1 by 1 plus x square. Therefore, Fc of s is equal to integration from 0 to infinity cos or 1 by 1 plus x square into cos sx dx. Now to integrate this one, it is not directly integrable. That's why what I have to use, I have to differentiate under integral sign so that one of the x I will cancel. Here this function is a function of x and s. Therefore, I have to differentiate with respect to s here. Before that, let me call this as equal to I. Okay. Therefore, differentiating under integration sign, differentiating under integral sign with respect to s. Okay, instead of calling this one fc of s, I will call now I. Okay, therefore I, that is di by ds equal to, I am differentiating with respect to s, di by ds equal to integration from 0 to infinity, and inside the integration sign the derivative will become partial derivative with respect to s, that is cos sx divided by 1 plus x square into dx. Okay, now to differentiating partially this one, what I am going to get here is integration from 0 to infinity 1 divided by 1 plus x square is a constant with respect to s. Therefore, integration of cos sx will become minus sin sx into x dx. Okay, but still it is not integrable directly. We don't have any such formula to integrate this one. That's why I will adjust so that 1 plus x square should cancel. That's why what we'll do, multiply and dividing by x, and minus I am keeping outside. Okay, which is equal to multiplying and dividing by dividing by x. Okay, what I am going to get is di by ds equal to integration from 0 to infinity, and this minus I will write outside. It will become multiplying by x, it will become x square divided by x into 1 plus x square into sin sx into dx. Okay, now still to cancel this 1 by 1 plus x square, I will add 1 and subtract 1, and sin sx divided by x I will separate it, that is minus integration from 0 to infinity, okay, sin sx divided by x into, for this one 1 plus x square is there and x square is there. What I will do, I will add 1 and subtract 1, correct, into dx. Then split this term as I will get integration from 0 to infinity sin sx divided by x into bracket 1 plus x square divided by 1 plus x square will become 1 minus 1 divided by 1 plus x square into dx. Okay, now split this 2 into 2 integrations. I'll come back with the now next step here. Di by ds is equal to, I will split those 2 into 2 integrations, minus integration from 0 to infinity sin sx sin sx divided by x minus, okay, minus of minus again plus integration from 0 to infinity sin sx divided by x into 1 by 1 plus x square will become 1 plus x square into dx. I can write here also into dx. But by the standard forms of integrations I have derived with the first integration, that is equal to pi by 2. Therefore equal to pi by 2 plus this one is integration from 0 to infinity sin sx divided by x into 1 plus x square dx. Okay, since integration from 0 to infinity sin mx divided by x dx is equal to pi by 2 I am having. Okay, now to integrate this one, again to cancel this x and to get the I equal to differentiating under integral sign with respect to s again. Okay, again differentiating with respect, differentiating under integral sign with respect to s again. Therefore left hand side will become d square I by ds square, once again differentiation, and constant is there, it will become 0 plus integration from 0 to infinity partial derivative with respect to s of sin sx divided by x into 1 plus x square into dx. Now while differentiating with respect to s, x is treated as constant, therefore integration from 0 to infinity 1 by x into 1 plus x square constant, differentiation of sin sx with respect to s will become cos sx into x dx. Okay, therefore this x cancels, then will remain with integration from 0 to infinity cos sx divided by 1 plus x square into dx, that is d square I by ds square equal to. But what about this integration? Okay, that integration is nothing but what I have substituted in the previous, that is cos sx divided by 1 plus x square integration infinity is nothing but equal to again I. Okay, therefore this one I can write it as d square I by ds square equal to, this is nothing but I. Okay, which is the differential equation, ordinary differential equation of second order. Then how to solve this one? To solve this one, you can integrate it 2 times, or this implies d square I by ds square minus I equal to 0. Therefore auxiliary equation is given by d square minus 1 into I equal to s, where capital D is equal to d by ds. Okay, then this is auxiliary equation is this one, then auxiliary equation is given by m square minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore m square equal to plus 1, which implies m is equal to plus or minus 1. If m is equal to plus or minus 1 is there, then CF, that is I equal to C1 e to the power plus x plus C2 e to the power, x, instead of x I have to choose here s, because independent will be s, e to the power minus s. This is general solution. To find out particular solution, C1 and C2 I have to put s is equal to 0. Okay, now at s is equal to 0, I is nothing but fc of s. Okay, my fc of s is nothing but integration from 0 to infinity fc of 0 I will take here, cos I equal to, just now substituted, I is nothing but cos sx, that is cos 0 x divided by 1 plus x square dx, and right hand side is nothing but c1 e to the power 0 plus c2 e to the power 0. Okay, that is 0 is 1. Therefore, integration from 0 to infinity 1 by 1 plus x square dx is nothing but tan inverse of x between the limits 0 with respect to minus. I am having here as di by ds is given by from my equation di by ds equal to, just now I proved here, this one here, di by ds equal to this minus pi by 2 plus integration from 0 to pi by 2. In this I will substitute s equal to 0, that is minus pi by 2 plus integration from 0 to infinity sine 0 x divided by 1 plus x square dx equal to, this one is also I differentiating this one also with respect to s, that is c1 e to the power s minus c2 e to the power minus s. Therefore, at s is equal to 0 again, at s is equal to 0, it will become minus pi by 2 plus this will become 0, s is there in that 0 equal to c1 minus c2, which implies c1 minus c2 equal to minus pi by 2. From these two equations, okay, adding, I will call this as equation number 1, we will call it equation number 2. Okay, therefore c1 plus c2 equal to, which implies equation 1 plus equation 2, c1 2c1 plus c1 to 2 cancels, 0 must be equal to pi by 2 plus pi by minus pi by 2, 0, which implies c1 equal to 0. Therefore c1 equal to 0, therefore c2 equal to pi by 2. Okay, c2 equal to pi by 2 I am going to get. Substitute this in the my particular solution. Okay, therefore my fc of s, that is Fourier cosine transform of 1 by 1 plus x square is equal to c1 is 0 in this, c2 is pi by 2 e to the power minus s. Okay, like this, some more examples on Fourier sine transform and cosine transform I am going to solve in my next videos. If you not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe the channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will get the notifications of my next videos. Like this, comment and also share this video. Thank you friends.